In this video, I'll show you how to delete a single answer in Google Forms. Deleting one response in Google Forms is useful when someone submitted the form twice, entered the wrong information, or you just need to remove one specific entry without clearing everything else. Google's Forms help says you can review responses one by one from the individual view inside the Responses tab. First, open your Google form and click the Responses tab at the top. This is where Google Forms stores all submitted answers for that form. Once you're there, switch from Summary to Individual so you can see one submission at a time instead of the overall charts and totals. Google's help explains that the individual view lets you move through responses using the previous and next arrows. Now use the arrow buttons to find the exact response you want to delete. If there are several submissions, keep clicking through them until you reach the one you want to remove. Google also notes that in individual view, you can select from a list of responses using the drop-down arrow, which can make it easier to jump to a specific submission. Once you've found the correct response, click the trash can icon. Google Forms will ask you to confirm the deletion. After you confirm, that one response will be removed from the form. This is the main way to delete a single answer without deleting every response in the form. There are two important things to remember here. First, deleting the response in Google Forms is permanent, so make sure you are deleting the right one before you confirm. Second, if your form is linked to Google Sheets, deleting the response in Forms may not automatically remove the matching row in the spreadsheet, so you may need to delete that row manually in Sheets too. Google's official help explains how to open linked responses in Sheets, and third-party walkthroughs consistently note this Forms to Sheets limitation. So the steps are simple. Open the form, go to Responses, switch to Individual, find the response, and click the trash can icon to delete it. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.